Welcome to today's discussion on the difference between balayage and ombre in the hair replacement industry. I'm your host Cindy, and we'll dive deep into these popular hair color techniques. So let's get started. The hair replacement industry can be so confusing, with various terms that can create miscommunication between clients, stylists, and wig makers. One of the mix-up revolves around the terms balayage and ombre. Balayage is a coloring technique that provides a soft, sun-kissed look by hand painting or sweeping color onto the hair surface. This method starts with random sections, often teasing the hair for a natural blended appearance, and then freestyle the look as if one is painting on a canvas. The color application begins mid-shaft and gradually becomes denser toward the hair ends, mimicking natural growth. This application can be done closer to the root for a dark root look as well. Ombre, on the other hand, creates a more gradual color shift. It involves two tones that fade from dark to light or vice versa. Ombre typically features a horizontal gradient line, which is achieved by lightening the hair from the tips and gradually darken it towards the roots. In summary, balayage are thin streaks of color, features a less pronounced fade, and its results resemble natural highlights, while ombre offers a more dramatic two-tone contrast with a visible gradient line. If there is a gradient blend from one solid color to the next, it is ombre style. If only gradient blend with strands of hair dyed, then balayage. But the most distinct feature is the transition between colors. Essentially, you can add balayage highlights to ombre-styled hair. This graphic helps illustrate the contrast between the two styles. So when requesting balayage style wigs, it's crucial to clarify whether you desire a two-tone effect of ombre. That way, you can clearly communicate your desire, which ensures the right wig is ordered. Sharing visuals or this blog can also help you understand the difference. And that's it for today. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.